Hi guys, and today me and Roxfast are making a bird nest. We come to feed the horses, but today they're not here. We had loads of stuff for them. She's just trying to climb up a tree to make the bird nest up there. I know. And by here, that we're loads of stuff, and I'm collecting. And so I'm going to be collecting and showing you. So there's 2 pine cones. We're going to go find some more. 3 pine cones. 4 pine cones. We only need 5 pine cones and 6 pine cones, 1 for luck. So there's 6 pine cones right now in my hand. That's just my bag where I brought my iPad in. Look, there's one. Ah! Are you up there? No. He's still not up there. I tried to blow you around. So no, we're not going to use pine cones. We're not going to use pine cones, okay, guys? Phoebe and Jippo are not there. They're gone. Oh, they're dead? No, Roxanne, they're not dead. They're probably... Yeah. Oh, and Stephen Fussel's then... What, Stephen Fussell owns them? Yeah, I think. And... Are you up there? Are you? Ah. Again. I'm going to do a pine cone collection, okay? Okay, now she's up. No. Now you? No. Tell me when you are then. There's like this rope. Should I use her to swing? No. Ah! Now. Ah! Now. Okay, now she's up. Okay, I have to jump.